Cam and Andy died of dysentery again. What even is dysentery?
Good morning, class. Today we're going to talk about Shigella Dysenteriae. And one of the main things about this disease it infects all types of people, most commonly under 5-year-olds or the elderly, also found in warm and wet conditions like Central America and Africa. One of the main virulence factors is the Shigella toxin, which we'll go into later. It is an enterobactery type of bacteria, meaning it's gram-negative, oxidase negative, and a facultative anaerobe. Lastly, as the disease progresses, it can cause many complications, including hemolytic uremic syndrome.
Oh, it's so hot. I need some water.
What does the bacteria do once it's inside its host? Shigella dysenteriae enters epithelial cells through intestinal adherence factors. Once inside the epithelial cell, Shigella will release the Shigella toxin. Shigella toxin secretion will lead to a loss of electrolytes and impaired nutrient absorption. Shigella will spread through the colonal mucosal layer, infecting adjacent epithelial cells while killing its current host.
Shigella toxin is released by S. dysenteriae and it binds to the large intestinal epithelial cells. This causes cell death and leads to damage in the internal blood vessels, causing hemorrhage. This is known as the cytotoxic effect. The enterotoxic effect is when the toxin binds to the receptors and prevents nutrient uptake. The neurotoxic effect displays lethargy, disorientation, seizures, paralysis, and coma in the patient. This impact from the Shigella toxin is observed most commonly in children and the elderly and is often fatal.
The most important host defenses against Shigella in the large intestine are the secretory IgA, the M cells in the Peyer's patches, and the normal bacterial flora. The normal flora are important because they prevent Shigella from finding a seat on epithelial cells. Diagnosis of Shigella dysenteriae. A rectal swab must be plated on at least 2 different nutrient medias. For example, a McConkey agar and an XLD agar may be used. After incubation, small colorless, non-lactose fermenting colonies will be visible on most plates. Red colonies will be produced on XLD plates. In addition, an enzyme immunoassay may be performed to detect the Shigella toxin.
That's all, folks.